So here's how you can fix the situation where cleanup is not showing on the iPhone. So cleanup is the feature inside of the photos, but if it doesn't show, what can you do? First of all, it doesn't work on every device. So you need to check out the compatibility. It works on the 15 Pro and later devices. So that includes 15 Pro and Pro Max, 16, the regular should work as well, and the 16 Pro series, right? So if you have something older, like I have the iPhone 15, it simply does not work, right? As it's not supported. Outside of that, there are some other things. You should also ensure you have the Apple Intelligence enabled inside of the settings. So you can find it obviously right there. Just go to Apple Intelligence and Siri and make sure it is turned on, generally speaking, because it should help you with that, even though it's not completely necessary, but it is possible that this could prevent the functionality of that feature. Besides that, there are more things to take a look at. Other one is region and language settings. So it's possible that it doesn't work in every single region in the world, and you essentially can change the region inside of the settings, general, and then language and region section to something else. For example, you set it to the United States, and then you'll see that perhaps it will appear on your iPhone. And also, check out if there is a software update available. This feature has kind of been recently added to the phones. It hasn't been here like since forever, so it's possible that your software is simply not up to date and therefore the feature is not appearing. So let me know below in the comments if we managed to make it work for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tips and guides like this one, and I'll catch you later.